I had a new life, all planned.
When you have finished the exam, close the booklet, turn it face downwards, and raise your hands. You may begin.
Then with the opening of a door,
Mr. Jankowski.
every plan I had vanished.
Is there any other family to call?
No, it's just me. No home, no family, forcing myself not to look back.
What's this, Earl?
College boy.
I'm just looking for work, sir.
Đeјkоб Jankowski, Fengini Brothers' very own Ivy League veterinarian.
You do right by me, I'll show you a life most suckers can't even dream of.
Who's the woman who works with the horses?
That's the boss's wife. She don't talk to nobody, and you don't talk to her.
Any living creature needs to know who's in charge. They can sense when a man's power is full strength, when a man's power is not.
Around here, everybody works till they're run into the ground. Nobody stops until August says so.
You're a beautiful woman. You deserve a beautiful life.
I'm a star, George. Out there, I got nothing.
There's a better kind of life that's meant for you.
You should go.
Anyone as much as touched her. I hate to think of it.
Don't follow me. He'll kill you. He will.
Is that the plan? You're leaving me for him?
August, please.
If it doesn't mean anything to you, tell me to fire him.
A young man, hopelessly in love with a woman beyond his reach.
But it's gotta be now.
What am I doing?
You break my law, you have to pay a penalty.